So here's an update. We just came down a track. Tony's bike has blown up. It won't start. There's my piece of shit, and that will start. And there's the road that we went on. It's a bit of a gravel track, but Tony's bike is a bit RIP. So at the moment we're waiting for Tony's friend to come along to help to fix it up. So there's some sort of electrical issue associated with this bike right now. This is part of the joy and fun of going motorbike riding. And there's Tony talking to God, I believe, unless I'm mistaken, discussing his previous sins and working out how he can have his bike running again. And here's the scenery. Absolutely gorgeous part of Iceland. Complete desolate wasteland. Absolutely lovely. Supremely beautiful. Anyway, that is the update. Just in case somebody finds this because we've died, then you know where we are and where our bones will be. I hope that Satan comes back and collects this particular bike, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay. Just found this little outcrop of rocks, and unless I'm mistaken, I believe this was some sort of a satanic shrine back in the day. And I think what they used to do was put a curse on the road so that bikes would break down. Oh fuck, that's us. Jesus Christ. Anyway, I've got no idea what this is. I hope it's not satanic though. I'm going to go to that road now. Check it out. I thought I'd get one more angle of the disaster that is Tony's bike. Piece of shit is down there. Beautiful scenery. Lovely place to break down. That's the road that we were going down. And I'll try to go to the exact spot where Tony's bike died. So Tony, what are your thoughts about this fucking shit show? Why? Are you angry? Just Tony is pissed off. I just want to inform everybody. This is the road where Satan took Tony's bike. Got the rocks here somewhere. We're going to find it and we're going to throw it into the gates of hell. Scenery's beautiful though, you've got to say that. I mean, if there's anywhere to be stuck in the world, this is a really nice spot. You can't complain. There's Iceland for you. Sign says don't go. There's a track that says go. Crazy. I'm here at what I believe Google has marked as the puddle of Satan. And it leads up to the path of hell. Having said that, just thought I'd take another angle of Tony's bike. It's a broken down bike. I know that he'd appreciate that. Take as many photos as possible from different angles. Keep a permanent record of this sort of shit. And here's one more video of the carnage. And that's the end of my vlog of this shit show. I hope we survive. It's a church, typical country church.